We don't record the whole thing. You
Hello.
record it.
Welcome to our video, and we're here to show you how to make monsters. And if
Dinosaurs.
you talk, well, dinosaurs too, yeah. But if you talk, you will go to hot zone, and there are 100 seats there, and it's very hot. Now, don't stop the intro. So, are you ready, folks, to see what we're gonna build?
We're ready.
It's not a challenge. It's not like a challenge, but he has a different bucket that's smaller that you can't see, but you can see half mine. Mine just has a sticker on it, and I put it on there. But ready?
All right.
Which my sister put it on there. I don't know why she put it on there, but
So my dinosaur now
is
has.
it gonna fly or what?
He has wings.
Is it gonna fly or what?
What do you think of my dinosaur that has wings?
I think it's gonna do this. Woo, ah, and glide.
Pterodactylosaurus.
Pterodactylosaurus. That's not a pterodactyl.
But it is now that he has wings. Let's see.
Now that he has wings.
Maybe we can give him some spikes.
I put fingers on there.
Maybe we can put some spikes. As you can see, we have a collection of Batman and Batman.
And where?
Behind us, Batman.
Batman and Batman over there. We have the Hulk. We have Batman. We have Hulk, Spider-Man, and this is our place. And here's our dinosaur. He's here to watch.
Kind of watch.
To kind of watch.
We just leave him down there. Oh no.
Let's put him right here. There.
And there's my small dinosaur with the spikes.
Okay, no. Dinosaur is taking a nap right now. Oh, blame-o. No blame-o. Hey, Michael, you know how you don't get Play-Doh in these?
How is that?
You gotta do this. You don't poke them in all the way.
That's right. I'm gonna make my next
I
monster.
thought poking them in would be okay, but it's not. Oh my days, Louise! We're here just to subscribe to the video.
Be sure to subscribe to our video.
Okay. We're gonna need to put that in, do not this. The red one's not very sticky. It's old.
And mine is just 2 legs with no body.
That's a human body. That's for Halloween.
Yes.
There's my monster.
And as we end our monster video, we just want to say Happy Halloween.
And no, don't. Please subscribe on the comments below. So hit the comment below. We'll see you in the next video when we learn how to make a different dinosaur and a different monster. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.